That's probably, he probably, oh my god. He probably slept rate that. He was probably asleep. Sleep rating.
Basic, yeah, probably.
It's embarrassing.
It is. It's so fucking cringe.
I hate incompetent people. I don't want to say I hate them, but like, I hate what they do as a result of, you know, the whole incompetence thing.
Yeah. I don't care about incompetent people. Like, I just, like, my big thing is, like, this, like, it's kind of not just incompetent, like, it's beyond, like, incompetence, because it's, like...
Carelessness.
Almost, like, negligent behavior of, like, because we, like, everyone knows he's incompetent, but then he doesn't do anything about it.
He jokes about how he's incompetent and like, yeah, you gotta go. Oh.
Yay!
I thought I died, bro.
Yeah, I saw you pause.
That shit was
like,
late
oh.
as hell, and I know there's like not a lot of room. Hey. Am I on this? No.